Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a thunderstorm warning for eastern Ogle County and
Ogle.
central Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located at EAS Junction or near southeastern Ogle County until 4 p.m. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half dollar-sized hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expected hazard includes 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half dollar-sized hail. Location hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, Lindenwood, Monroe, and King, Rochelle, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 97 and 100 and King. Interstate 88 between mile markers 75 and 82. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This was on KZZ 56. I should have kept it on 55. These. Shut that up. These were on KZZ 55, and as you can see, oh, my radios are red! Because of an SVR that came through without me expecting it. Okay, so finally, I'm switching this over. Finally, long-awaited first SVR of the year. Finally! I'm finally starting to get some alerts. This is for Ogle. But yeah, pretty crazy. Another SVR. I called it. DeKalb and Lee. I knew it.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning with live hail on top of north central Illinois, northern DeKalb County.
It went Lee then DeKalb.
Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm
Called
was
this
located
one.
near Isman, or 10 miles northeast of Rochelle, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Is that thunder right here?
Quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Shabona, Cortland, Kirkland, Kingston, Malta, Lee, and Fairdale, including the following interstates.
DeKalb and Sycamore are huge rivals in high school sports, by the way. Just thought I'd point that out.
Between mile markers 83 and 96. This includes Northern Illinois University.
Ooh,
For your
that's rough.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I called that.